If you want to create a website or blog, or if you already have a website or blog or want to purchase a new web hosting, then this is the perfect time to get a new web hosting, because at this time Black Friday sale is going on. So almost all of the top major players in the web hosting, they are providing maximum discount at this time. Press the like button for the algorithm so that Google may promote this video a little bit further. That would help me out. So for example, let me show you the first one, and that is the Hostgator.com. So Hostgator.com currently gives you the 70% off. So at this moment there are certain plans. Let me show you. First one is the hatchling plan, where you can host a single website. So here you can host single website, one-click WordPress installation, and it costs you around $2 per month, $2.8 per month. And second one, which is most popular, this is the baby plan, which has the unlimited websites and one-click WordPress install and all the features like free SSL and free domain name for 1 year, and it costs you $2.98 per month. So this is very amazing. And a business plan, which is most people don't buy, so most people buy this plan. All right, so you can buy this one. And if you are from India, then you must go for the Indian plans. And the Indian plans at this time, you can see on the shared hosting, they have 1 month, and that if you go for 1 year, that costs you around 70 rupees per month, which is very amazing. And if you go for the cloud hosting, and cloud hosting for 1 year, it costs around 280 rupees per month. All right, so this is also amazing. So you get up to 65% off. All right, so if you are interested in this, and if you want to register a new domain, you can see new domain.com domain costs you 869 rupees, and .in domain costs you 449 per year. All right, so there are certain other offers as well. Now let's move on to the next big player, major player, and that is the Bluehost. So if you are from India and you want to buy it in India, then this is the plan. So if you want to have a WordPress web hosting, that costs you 149 rupees per month. All right, and if you go for the shared hosting, that is also costs you around 149 rupees per month. So let me show you. So in the shared hosting, one is a basic plan where you can host one website, and if you go for the similar to Hostgator, where you can host unlimited website, that costs you around 240 rupees per month. Okay, and you also get the domain and all other features. All right, and if you want the other one, and that is the best Black Friday deal, 249 rupees per month, that is also the same. So here you have some more options. All right, so you can go for that one. And if you are from the US or other countries, then you may get the US plan or plan in dollar. So here you have the it starts from $2.65 per month. So if we just click on the host your website, so here you have this plan. Basic plan starts at $2.65 per month. All right, for that is for 12 months term. Okay, here you can host only one website and 50 GB SSD storage. And if you go for the plus plan, here you can host unlimited websites, and that costs you around $4.95 per month. All right, so this is also very amazing offer. At this moment you can get up to, I think they are offering 75% today. And if you want to buy any of these, the link of that is in the description section below. And now let me show you one more web hosting, which is my personal favorite. If you are from India, this is also providing you a very amazing deal. So the shared hosting here starts at 89 rupees per month. So if you go for the shared hosting, let me show you. So shared hosting, this is the Linux shared hosting, so which is very fast and very amazing. So it gives you around 55% per month. So if you go for the business plan, and if you go for the 1 year plan, that costs you around 215 rupees per month. And here you can host 3 domains, all right, 3 websites, and it gives you free Google Workspace for 1 year, free SSL certificate, and all of these email accounts, cPanel, and everything. And if you go for the Pro plan, and that also costs you around 265 rupees per month, here you can host unlimited domains. So this is very amazing, and it also shows you that what would be the renewal price, whereas the other website don't show you what would be the price when you would renew it. So that is around 549 rupees per month. So if you want to save big, so you can register up to 3 years and you can save even more. So if you register for 3 years, you get 240 rupees per month. All right, so that was the shared hosting. And if you want to host a website and really fast and lightning speed on your website, then you must go for the cloud hosting. And Reseller Club is the only web hosting which provides the cloud hosting with the cPanel. So here you can easily install the WordPress, easily create the SSL certificate, easily create all the emails account very easily. So I have personally bought this one, Business SSD. So if you go for this 1 year, that cost you around 450 rupees per month at this moment, which is around 50% off. And here you go get the free Google Workspace for 1 year, and you get the free SSL certificate, 4 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM, unmetered SSD disk space, bandwidth, and free cPanel. cPanel is a very easy. If you install the cPanel on other cloud hosting, that would cost you 1000 rupees per month. All right, so but if you buy it from the Reseller Club, then you can get this at absolutely free at no extra cost. So it's no extra cost, so we'll get this absolutely free with this plan. I have personally bought this plan and I have hosted my website on that, and that's works very amazing. All right, so if you are a pro and you want to have a very lightning speed and on your website, then you must go for this one. All right, and if you choose the USA, or if you are from the USA, let me show you what are the plans. So shared hosting starts from $1.79 per month. So let me show you their plans as well. So this is the shared hosting, and if you go for this personal, where you can host one single website, that costs you around, if you go for 1 year, that is $1.79 per month. That's 65% off, and it renews at $5.49 per month. So after 1 year, if you renew it, that would cost you this much. And so if you want to save big, you can register up to 3 years, where other websites don't allow you to register for more than 1 year. So they don't offer discount for more than 1 year, but here you can get the same discount for 3 years. Sorry. So, and the second one is the business, and where you can register up to, or where you can host 3 websites or 3 domains. Here you can save lots of money, and this cost around $2.49 per month. All right, and if you go for the Pro plan, which has the unlimited domains, so you can host unlimited websites over here, so that costs just $1 a little bit more than the business plan. So that costs you $3.29 per month, and it renews at $8.99 per month. So this is very amazing. Here you get all the unlimited email accounts, cPanel, and everything else. All right, and if you go for the cloud hosting of this, which is my personal favorite, cloud hosting. So here, this same plan, Business SSD, where you can host unlimited websites, so it costs you around $4.99 per month. But if you go for 1 year, that is $6.29 per month. All right, and if you go for 2 years, that is $4.99 per month. So here you get the free cPanel. So this is very amazing. If you want to install the cPanel on other cloud hosting platforms, that would cost you $15 per month. So here you get absolutely free with your web hosting. So isn't that amazing? So if you want to buy any of the web hosting, the links, all the links are in the description section below. These are my affiliate links. So if you buy anything from my link, I might get some affiliate commission. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. Consider sharing this video with others. All right. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Grab this deal and don't miss out this Black Friday deal. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.